Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to fix fan of MacBook when have extreme big problem with loud sound. It was successful experiment. Now MacBook work and sound already gone, and I hope it will work very long time without any problem. So I hope somebody is will help also. I want to warn you, if you have problem with fan in MacBook, best what you can do is replace fan. What I will show you in this video is more experimental, or when you not have another choice, you can try this way. So let's go to fix MacBook. This is MacBook Pro late 2013 version, now 2020 years, so it's already 7 years old. Unfortunately, I cannot replace fan right now. I will try put little oil inside fan. First need open nice screw. I will use Xiaomi screwdriver P5. Important, you remember position your screw because they little different. Open back cap. This is to fan. Actually, this is damaged now, and he look very new because I try clear him already before, but it's not here. So I decide try use oil. But first we need out him from body. Screw is Torx T4. 2, 3. This just up rubber. You will need out this cable, so you just up the detail, and in my case just little pull out and it's done. I can out fan from body. This is fan. Next you need out this 3 screw. 1, 2, 3 is ordinary cross, very little size, PH00. This just can out cut. And if you not open fan before, you will notice it have many dust here. You can clear this dust with air. I must warn you before. Many comment in internet tell, and I agree with them, if you have this problem with fan, best what you can do is replace fan. Use oil for fan in MacBook is have risk. Oil will be same magnet for dust, but I not have another choice. I hope it will help to me temporarily fix problem till I get new fan. Use Liquimoly LM-40, but as I understand this equivalent of WD-40. I spray very many, same this. And rotate. Spray. And rotate. And spray more. And rotate. On back side fan I found 3 holes, so I spray inside also little. And rotate. After use oil, I try use a lot of tissue for make oil gone from every part what I can see. Connect everything back, put cap in place, screw connected. We will put fan, connect cable and close. Torx T4 here. Close rubber, put cap on top and use screwdriver. We will test how it works. Very good. Right now, problem is gone. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and I wish your computer work many years without any problem. Bye bye.